This unique property is located in the heart of the city of Parkland in the prestigious Parkland Golf and Country Club community. The facade is inspired by Mediterranean accent architecture with a contemporary touch, giving the house a very sophisticated aspect from the outside. The house has 3 car garages and plenty of space for visitors. As you enter the property, you will find an elegant foyer with 23 by 23 inch white porcelain tile floors. On the right hand side, you will also find a bar that includes a wine cooler and complete and useful cabinets. As you continue, you'll find a very spacious bonus room, included imported Italian wooden entertainment furniture in the room. This room could easily become a 6th bedroom in the house. The French style doors will guide you to a comfortable and naturally illuminated studio. Passing through the foyer, you will find a large dining room with sufficient space for a 12-seating dining table. Here you can observe the electronic blinds that are installed throughout the house. As you move back to the foyer, you'll find easy access to a kitchen and entertainment area. A custom and contemporary white and gray kitchen with the high-end Jenn-AIR appliances featuring an oversized fridge, a double oven, and 6 burn gas cooktop. The house has 2 storage areas, a complete pantry room, fully equipped with wooden shelves and built-in closet. The kitchen table is located adjacent to the kitchen, making it easy to move around. As we continue, we reach the spacious family room, providing enough capacity for large furniture. This space is useful for hosting large parties and reunions with family and friends. Before reaching the patio, you'll find a full cabana bathroom. Now we are going outside to find a stunning water view. Here you can see the humongous size of the lot, with more than half an acre. This extended and gorgeous backyard features a stone patio, including a gourmet outdoor kitchen with a granite counter and a shade space for the outside dining table. The custom pool and spa has a beach area with an umbrella, salt system, LED lights, and an oversized heater. Perfect for all kids' activities and sports, as well as parent and family entertainment activities. Before going up to the second floor, let us show you a powder bathroom. Across from that, you will find the first bathroom that includes a full bathroom and a built-in walk-in closet. Now we're continuing to visit the second floor. Coming to the entrance of the house, we find ourselves at the foyer again. This space is decorated with a modern curved staircase, which directs you to the second story where the main bedrooms are. The house features 4 spacious bathrooms on the second floor and 3 bathrooms, for a total of 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms. Every bedroom has a built-in closet, wood floors, and electric lines with a blackout feature. The master room offers a magnificent view of the water, a great space for all bedroom furniture, and even a sitting area. The bathroom has a separate shower and tub and two different spaces for her and him. There are two enormous walk-in closets . Before going down to the first floor, you will find a comfortable space to place a sitting area. Throughout the house, there are 5 independent areas where you can enjoy your favorite music, controlled from your phone. We hope that you can visualize your life in this lovely home.